In this video, I will show you how to edit your blog post in Hostinger Website Builder. I am now inside Website Builder. I am now inside my Website Builder in Hostinger, and to edit your blog post, just click on Blog. As you can see, these are my blog posts right now, and to edit one, just click on it. To edit your blog post title, click on Post Settings from the top menu. As you can see, you can edit your post title. You can also add a post description. Let's see where it appears. Description here. You can also edit your blog post link. You can also add or edit the post authors, edit the publishing date, and schedule this post to be published in the future. You can also edit the featured image, which is the image or the photo that will appear for your blog post in the home page, for example. You can also add or remove categories to this blog post, and don't forget to click on Save. As you can see, this is where the description appears. You can also edit this header or this blog post header. Just click on Edit Blog Posts. You can edit the blog post size, the visibility of many features like the description, the blog categories, the author name, date, and reading time. You can also edit the header, top and the bottom spacing, or add a background to this header section. You can use between a color, an image, or a video. For this photo, you can generate it using AI, or you can also replace it with another photo, or even delete it from here. This is your blog post text. To edit it, just select it first, then click on Edit Text. Now you can edit it with your keyboard. And don't remember to always update your website to see your changes live.